Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Laravel website, how to make website using Laravel plus Livewire. So this is Livewire. So basically, Livewire is a full stack framework for Laravel that makes building dynamic interfaces simple without leaving the comfort of Laravel. So this is it. If we might be considered this building modern web apps is hard. Tools like Vue and React are extremely powerful, but the complexity they add to a full stack developer's workflow is insane. So there is Livewire, which we're gonna use it here. So first of all, you're gonna install the Laravel first. Okay, so let's make a new folder here. I'm going to make it here on my project. I'm gonna name it Laravel Livewire, just like that. Then select folder. Okay, so here we are going to make a new Laravel project through terminal. So let's open up terminal here in the VS Code, and let's go into Laravel website. I'm going to use Laravel version 10, and here in this your first Laravel project, you're gonna copy this and paste it here, and I'm going to name it for the here, just replace this. I'm going to name the app is to be Livewire 3. Create project Laravel Livewire 3, and then hit enter and wait for the process. So now the process is complete, and we are gonna see the output. First, we're gonna type here Livewire cd Livewire 3, based on your folder name. So it will be anything. So for me here, Livewire 3, hit enter, and then PHP artisan serve, and server running. Click control and click here, and then this is the website, means the Laravel installation is complete. So now we are going to make a storage link, which we gonna use it later. So we are going to make some uploading features there. So we going to make a CRUD, which include uploading an image there. So we're gonna need a new terminal here because this terminal is in use. So here again, cd Livewire 3 to push it to the Livewire folder. And then type in here PHP artisan make, and then colon link. Sorry, make. This not supposed to be make, it's supposed to be storage. php artisan storage link, just like that. Hit enter, and then it will be here in the Livewire free storage app public link has been connected. Okay, so basically we are linking the storage with the public. Which one is public here? We are linking the storage public app and public storage, yeah, just public storage there. As you can see, link has been connected. So now you can close this terminal and we're gonna change this in the env file. We're gonna change the TP connection. So here we are going to change this. We are going to make some adjustment in this line here, some line here. So for the TP connection will be MySQL, keep it like that, and then host, yeah, just like that. For the port, just keep it like that. And here from the database username and password, we're gonna change it. We're gonna change the database name to db Livewire, maybe Livewire 3. And as for the username, yeah, just keep it like that. Just keep it root, I think. Yeah, just keep it like that, and then hit save by Control S. So now we are going to make a new database here inside of the browser. Type in localhost. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need to run the SAMPP, and then start the Apache and MySQL. And you can minimize it. Right, so let's make a new database called the one that we just made before, db Livewire 3. db Livewire 3. Then hit create. Okay, so in the phpMyAdmin, you're gonna keep it like that. First, you are going to need to back to the VS Code, and then here we are going to make a model, which you can make it through the terminal. Just open up the terminal and let's clear it first. Okay, here we're gonna make a model by using php artisan make colon model and the name of your file or folder. No, file. Okay, file. So the name of my file will be just yeah, that post, and then we are going to make the migration file as well. So type in -m for the migration and then hit enter. Okay, so we have been created some file, two file here, which located in the app. The first one is here in the models and then post, and the second one is in the database migration, and here it is, in this very bottom of the migration folder. All right, so yeah, you can close this terminal. So we are going to make mass assignment here inside of the post PHP, and inside of the use has factory. Yeah, just like this, protected fillable. And then we are going to need a table, I mean the column of image. So type in here image, and then also the title, and then the last one will be content on, or it could be description, just up to you. Just like that, we are creating 3 column. Yeah, we going to need this comma as well, also the semicolon here to close it. Okay, then hit save by Ctrl S. And now we are going to input a table here with the string image, and then title and content. So the type of the image is string, and as well as the title. As if for the content, it will be text. Alright, and then we're going to migrate this migration file. So okay, first of all hit save, and then migrate it by using the terminal. I'm just gonna clear it first. So type in php artisan migrate, and then hit enter. So the table posts is supposed to be created in this localhost. Okay, here in the DB Livewire 3 we have posts table here, which is inside the structure. Okay, we have image, title, content, as well as the created ad and updated ad. So now we are going to install the Livewire itself, just by going to the Livewire website, and here click the docs, and we have the install Livewire section here, or you can change it to version 3, or just clicking this highlight here. You're browsing the current blah blah blah, just click here Livewire 3, and then yes, start here. And in the quick start you could copy this install Livewire and then paste it inside of your terminal. Let's clear it first, paste it here, and you could add 3.0.0 to make sure the Laravel version you install is version 3. Hit enter, and then wait for the installation to be completed. And now the process is done. The next step we are going to do is making a publish configuration. So still in this terminal, type in php artisan livewire colon publish space, and then dash dash config, oops, with G not Q, config, just like that. And then here inside of the Livewire, inside of the config folder, there will be Livewire PHP. Okay, now that's it. Now for the next step, you are going to make a layout for the blade. So where is the view? Okay, here in the resources view, we're gonna need some layout app. So how to make it? Yeah, again, use the terminal. Let's clear it first, and then here inside of the terminal we need php. We need the command, which is php artisan livewire layout created. Now inside of the views we have components and then app plate. So this is basically how to make the layout inside of the using Livewire. So we can close it, and here we are going to make some adjustment here. And yeah, I'm skipping the video to make the video is more shorter and not taking so much time. Alright, so this is the script. We have added Livewire styles, also link for the bootstrap. So we are making it using bootstrap, as well as the Google fonts with quicksand model or font family. And this is the navigation bar, which is contain home, and then here button class. Let's wrap it, blah blah blah. Yeah, just like that. So basically this is the button, and this is the highlight button. Yeah, just basically both are buttons in the nav bar. And then we have slot here, or $slot, to render the view, or each view, every view, which is extends the layout. So yeah, use this $slot. Also, we have included Livewire scripts for the script, and bootstrap JavaScript as well, which you can find it inside of the bootstrap. Let me show you. So you can copy this for the style CSS here for the style sheet, and then you can copy this as well for the JavaScript, which is this one. Then the step after this, we are going to make a let's open up terminal first. Clear. We're going to make a component post index. Okay, so we are going to make component post index here. As usual, type in php artisan make supposed to be colon. So php artisan make livewire post with s posts dot index, then hit enter. Now here inside of the components layout, we have Livewire. I mean, inside of the views, we have Livewire slash posts. So you can close the terminal. Now we are going to make some adjustment inside of the app, and then here Livewire slash post and index PHP. So here we are going to make some adjustment. As usual, I'm skipping the process. Alright, now we have created some we have made some adjustment here inside of the index PHP of Livewire posts. We have included this Livewire, use Livewire components, also use Livewire with pagination. Also we have class index extend component and use with pagination. Also public function render. Inside of this public action function render, we have return view Livewire post index with post doubles colon latest paginate 5. So we are making pagination with 5 pagination. So the next step what you're gonna do is heading to the views, which is located in the resource, then views and Livewire. So here we are going to make some adjustment. So here inside of the index split PHP we have included section which is title, and the title is data posts learning Livewire, and we made a flash message warning here, some condition if session has message, and the message will appear with the flash message. And this is the CRUD itself, the web of CRUD itself. We are using the Bootstrap framework, and we have included card, and inside of the card we have column with image, title and content, also actions, and this for else is just for showing the data from it's just like regular Laravel. This one is for showing you the data for else, and end it with and for else. So inside of the T body we have for else, which is including the showing data. So there is it's just let's I'm going to show you the output here, but first we need to change the route, which is this one, and then go to the web.php. We're gonna change the route to this, so it basically just route get slash app Livewire post index and double colon class. We need the name posts index, so it will showing you the index index page within this Livewire. So okay, just I forgot to hit save here as well, index PHP, and then let's see the output. Hit refresh. Okay, so we have some error. Vendor pagination. Okay, so we haven't published the pagination view from Bootstrap. So get back to the VS Code and run the terminal. I'm just gonna use the last one. Okay, here we're going to input this PHP artisan vendor publish tag, and then publish dash dash tag Laravel pagination. Hit enter. Okay, now we're done. Let's get back to the Laravel site, hit refresh, and now we have it. We have the navigation bar here. I'm going to show you from the index plate. Okay. Oh, not this one. It's supposed to be here in the app plate. Okay, so in this app plate PHP we have navigation bar here, navigation script, this one. So that one is for the section here, the upper top section of the navigation bar. So you can see home and example.com for the button. And for this section, this one, add new post and then image title content actions, we have it right here in the indexed plate PHP, which is this one, and this is the style from Bootstrap, or to be exact is the Bootstrap version 5. Right, so that is the code. That is for the code. There's showing you an error, which is data post not available because we haven't include any, we didn't post anything yet. So yeah, that's it for the output. And now for the next step, we're gonna make a new component, which is post create. So you could make it here with the terminal by type in php artisan make Livewire post create. Oh, it's supposed to be posts with the S. Okay, like this, and then hit enter, and then we have it here appeared. And for the script, let me close this. It will be this. So this is the code or the script. So we have namespace that this is just there before, and we have use app models post for this app models. Where is it? Models post. So we are using this, and use Livewire component as well as the Livewire file with file uploads and attributes rule. So this one is basically we need some form with the upload files. So we have this Livewire file upload with file uploads, and then for the Livewire attributes rule, this one is for the validator, and the validator and this is the validation process. So in this hashtag rule required, which is cannot be empty, we have the message insert image, and then this one is just for the image. 3 or 4 line here is for the image. Yeah, and then hashtag rule image message format must be img, or let me change this to image instead, be image. And then rule max, this one is maximum file upload you will need. with the message maximum file upload 1 MB or megabyte. And then public image is gonna post it in the public image. As if for the title, this is just insert the title, and for the content there is two message, insert content, and must be at least 3 characters. And then we are creating we have created this one also, public function store, for storing the app to save it to the database. So we call it using this validate, and this one is for the if validation is completed, so store the data here, public post in this image. Yeah, just like that. I mean, if the validation is completed, then upload the file or the image. And then for the create post, this one will create the image title and content and will send it to the database. And this one is just showing the message, flash message, session, and then square brackets, flash message, and it's supposed to be post created successfully. Okay. And for the redirect, it will return redirect root, which has the name posts dot index. Return void, and then public function render. This one is for the method, which is render, and then return view. It will showing the result of the posts, so it will be in livewire.post create. Okay, so let's test it. Hit save, and here refresh. Okay, so I forgot to make add data, so we're gonna make it first. So here inside of the create plate php, which is located in the views folder and resources folder, we need to include some script just like this. We have the title create posts, just post, and then learning Laravel Livewire, and we have some div here, 1 2 3 4 5 with bootstrap framework. And yeah, I'm going to read it. Container, so we have container, and then margin top 5, margin bottom 5, and the second div will be class row, and the third one will be call md, call medium 12, and the fourth will be card border 0, shadow small and rounded, and the fifth one will be class card body. And we have form with wire submit store, and this is for the encryption multi-part form data. And then inside of the form we have another div with the class form group MB or margin bottom 4, and then we have the label image and the input form control, and just like that. And then this one is for the error message, and this one also for the form box. I mean, this is the error message for the title, and this one is the content form, the form for the content. And yeah, for the error message again. And then we have the button to save and another button to reset. Okay, let's see the output. Also, this one is for create. Yes, this one, create plate inside of the Laravel posts. Okay, no, it's not working now because we need to do some adjustment again. Still some more script or things to do. So let's do the post routes. So in the routes and then web. Okay, this one, route get. So okay, I'm just disclaimer. I'm using Codium for the AI text or script, so it will be much easier to type in instead of typing one by one, words by word. So you can just hit the tab which is recommended by Codium here. So let me show you. um it should be appear here just like before. It should be appear. Yeah, it should be appear. So that's it for the Codium. And for the road we have the cat and then slash create app livewire post create and double colon class, and the name is posts create. Okay, now let's test it. Hit save and then refresh, and let's click this button, add new post, and here the form of adding data will appear. So first of all, to know the if the error is work or not, just click save with the blank form. Oops, hit save. Okay, it should be appearing an error, which is maximum file upload, and then insert title must be at least 3 characters, just like we code just like our code. Yeah, this one. No, 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 no. Where is it? In the create plate. It's supposed to be in the create plate. Oh no, not this one. This one, in the Livewire post, there is some errors message that we have included before. So it will appear like this. Now let's check the code, see if it is work or not. I have the image here. I'm going to include this image, and for the title will be Polytechnic. It's supposed to be Polytechnic, not Polytechnic. Polytechnic. Polynet. Oh, sorry. Polytechnic. Idea. Yeah, just like that, and then content. Yeah, you just type whatever. Just gonna use this paragraph and then hit save, and then we have it. We have included the data, we have successfully add the data with the image. With this image here, I have Polytechnic ID and logo, then the title Polytechnic ID, and this is the content. And now this still doesn't work yet. The action edit and delete still doesn't work. Now we are going to make this edit and delete PHP, or edit and delete section. So again, in your terminal, open up first open up your VS Code again, and then in the terminal, again type in PHP sorry, PHP artisan make Livewire posts. Post edit. PHP artisan make Livewire posts edit, and then hit enter. Component created, and then we have it here. And as usual, we're going to do some changes here. So here it is. Here it is, the code or the script for edit.php. We have to import use app models post, and then so basically app model post were used in the create as well as the index. App model post were used inside of these Livewires, and also use Livewire with file uploads, same thing as create, as well as the attribute rule for the validator. And we have ID post public, post ID will be public, and as well as the image. This is the validation rule required message insert image. If we are keep the update blank, it will show you the error message to insert the image and to insert the content, as well as the the content. This one is the title, and this one is the content. Also, in the function mount ID, we have get post find ID. So this one will find the ID we will update, or recreate. Should I say recreate? Anyway, to update, it will find the ID for the data will be updated. And then this is for the assignment, this post ID, and so on. And then return void, and we made some another function with the method post with the method update, and it will be calling the with this variable, this validate, and then get post $post by using $post find this post ID. And this is for the check if image. So if there is an image, it will be updating the image. If the image is blank, it will update only title and content. And also flash message post updated successfully, and redirect, it will return you to redirect root post index, posts.index. Also we have same one as create PHP, which is public function render here, and then the return view Livewire posts create. Yeah, both. Oh, okay, so this one is posts edit and this one is posts create. Not a big of a difference. Yeah. Okay, now let's save it and let's see the output. Hit refresh and edit. Okay, we have to include the route as well here in the web.php. Include this script route get and then edit or slash edit with the id app livewire posts edit class name posts edit. Okay, like so. Let's see the output. Okay, we have to save it first. Yeah, there is it will redirect you to the edit page, and it is blank because we don't have the form yet for the edit page, so we are going to make it here. So here it is, the code or the script inside of the edit blade. Edit blade. This one is for the form. So this, yeah, this is it. This is blank, and we create this for that blank to fill it with form. All right, so okay, so this one is supposed to be learning Laravel's Livewire. Okay, the title is edit post learning Laravel Livewire, and we have inside of the div, so we have some div here, and inside of div there is form, submit, update, and inside of this form we have image label, the form for image, and then title and the content. So the form is pretty much just like create blade, just like create form, but this one is using update. This one is store. Also the button type is, yeah, just pretty much the same. Create and edit. Here we have submit and also submit. The difference is just save, and then this one is update. Yeah, just the same, pretty much the same like create blade php. Yeah, just this is the code or the script. Let's just save it and go into your website or your browser, hit refresh, and then here we have it. We have the edit form. Let's go back here. If we click this action button edit, we can edit the title and content as well as the image. So if we keep it the image blank and then hit update, it will just keep the image there, not being updated. You know what I mean? Yeah, just like that. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, you can understand. Also, if we hit reset, it will reset to blank document, and if we click update, it will showing an error, insert image, and insert at least 3 characters, just like that. And let's insert a title. Okay, and the image, yeah, let's just use the same image, which is Polytechnic ID and image, and then update. Okay, now the title is changed or updated to Hello World, and content is learning. Yeah, this is the content, as well as the post updated successfully, the success message or success prompt. Yeah, just like that for the edit or update. Now we are going to do delete post. So here if I click this, it will do nothing. So how to make it works? So basically it's just simple. Get back to the VS Code, and here inside of the Livewire posts, in this index PHP, we are going to make destroy method or delete. So just type in here public function destroy id, and then inside of this destroy we will need, oh not this, post destroy id, uppercase in the p, post destroy id, and then for the message here, session flash message post deleted successfully. And then the third one for the redirection, I mean to redirect you to the post to the just type in here return redirect root posts index. So this one, what it does is it will redirect you to posts index, which is located here. Which one is it? Post, no, sorry, this one. So it will redirect you to the page which is the main page. Okay, so let's get back in the index PHP. Yeah, I think that's it for the destroy or delete prompt. We can just save it, and we are going to call the method delete here inside of the livewire post index plate PHP, and inside of this button here, right here, the delete button. I'm going to change it. Okay, like this. It's supposed to be button wire click destroy, and then square brackets post, yeah, square brackets, and then curly brackets, and then dollar post arrow id, and then close of this 3, and we need or using class from bootstrap button small button danger, and the prompt or the text will be delete. Okay, now let's save it, and then let's see the output. Okay, refresh it first. Now we are going to delete this data, so let's hit this button. 1 2 3. Okay, now post deleted successfully, just like that. And then data post not available, showing you this message because yeah, the data is empty. So okay, so just to show you, I'm going to include one more time. Here it is blank. Oh, I'm sorry, refresh it first. In this database, which is we have db livewire 3 and then post, so we have nothing here. So this one is it will connect you to the database within the table posts as well. So let's create it one more time. Save, and yeah, maybe one more data. I don't know what, I don't have image, so yeah, I'm just gonna use that image again, and this one will be hit save. This one just for example. Okay, so there are two datas now. Hit refresh, I mean here, hit refresh here, and then there you go, we have two data with the title Polytechnic IDN, and then the second data is data number 2. Yeah, just like we created. And then we have the detail here as well, created at 2023 at 10th or October 21, and this is the time which is I'm not sure what time is it. So currently here I'm using WIB, which is in Indonesia. I am located live in Indonesia, and this one is, let me see, um yeah, for the time zone is GMT plus 7, so you can configure it yourself what time zone you are. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that for just for the example. I don't want to mess it, so just hit back. And yeah, that's it for Laravel Livewire CRUD tutorial. And yeah, also I want to demonstrate this home button. If you click this, it will redirect you to the home page. Okay, that's it from me, and I apologize, and thank you so much for watching. I apologize for my misspelling words maybe, and my hard explanation for the English, because again I am not an English native speaker, and I am living currently in Indonesia. Yeah, just happy to make this video using English language. And Um, I don't know what else to say. Just see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.